we are in Natural Solutions Month, and I'm really proud of the info we put up to this point. We did a talk on skin protection, including sunscreens, lip balm, mosquito repellents. Last meeting, we did home cleaners, which is super useful, and we have implemented every single one of those things, made our own detergent, and it works amazingly well. And we're trying out the dish soap this week. Actually, we have the ingredients to make that, so we're very excited about that. Today, we're talking about body care stuff. All right, so in the body care realm, let's just go ahead and do a couple of refresher things here. Why are we talking about this? We've talked about this concept of toxins and toxicants in other talks. We want to control everything that we can because we want to give our body the best fighting chance possible. Even if we do everything right, there's the possibility that at some point we will get diagnosed with something, because we are in a world of toxin overload. We really are. This is a very different world from what our ancestors grew up in. We are exposed to things that we can't control, like a lot of pollution and chemicals and things that we probably aren't aware of. And so we want to control the things that we can control because all of it matters. I know that we are hitting everyone with a lot of information from the SHT. We talk about food and sleep and mindfulness and meditation, and now we're talking about toxins and body care. So you got to meet this thing where you can. If I had to prioritize all that stuff, I'd always say make real food your first priority, get your sleep dialed in, start to meditate, and then start to tinker with these things one at a time. Our first goal was to replace our dish detergent or laundry detergent. Now we're working on our dish detergent. And so we're just chipping away at each one of those things. We got some approved sunscreens. So meet it where you can, but I want everyone to understand that it all matters because we want to give our body the best fighting chance possible. When we're talking about these natural solutions, we want a focus on things that are relatively safe, but also that have efficacy or that actually work. So if I tell you to go swap out your dish detergent, your Dawn dishwashing liquid with this more holistic recommendation, and it doesn't do the job, it doesn't take grease away, then you're going to go back to Dawn, right? So we want a combination of safety, but also things that work, which means we may slightly compromise in some situations, but there's a balance there, okay? So what we're going to talk about in this meeting is what we have to absolutely avoid, easy recipes for lotions and shampoos and deodorants and toothpaste, the best store-bought options, and then some recommended makeup lines. And just as a quick refresher, the way that we come up with our guidelines, we research the EWG, which I'll talk a little bit about today, EWG.org, Environmental Working Group, and also the EPA. And we also cross-reference with the holistic health leaders that we admire and follow, and we see if they have put anything out on these different topics. And we combine all that stuff together, and then we experiment. Sometimes we'll go and research Amazon products to see what the star ratings are, to see what kind of feedback we get from people that actually use these products. And then we try it out, and we come back and we share our experience. So one thing that I would highly recommend everyone do is download the EWG's Healthy Living app. So useful. Me and Arnica were at Whole Foods the other day trying to find a good lotion, and we were just there picking a lotion off the counter. We turn it around, scan the barcode in the EWG app. It would give us a rating. If it had a good rating, we tab over to Amazon and see what the reviews there were. And so it was super useful. Like there were some lotions we picked up and they had horrible ratings. And so we knew they had horrible safety. So the EWG, you can scan, if I'm not mistaken, you can actually scan food items and stuff like that too. It's a super useful product. And I'm not sure if it costs something or not, but if it does, it's a one-time cost and it's like totally worth it, okay?